So as you can imagine, obviously the fails is the problem in the market, right? So we had a total of, between the dates of September 15th and September 30th, total across the market, we had a total of 2,187,200,642 shares failed to deliver. And amongst that list, a total of 68,965 entries for fails to deliver. That right there, Gary Gensler, is why your market is not transparent, why it's not free, why it's not fair, because you can't even settle your own shit. I mean, what are you doing? You regulate the NSCC, you regulate the DTC. They owe everyone everything. So what doing? Stop praising your markets. They're garbage. Look at this, man. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. It literally takes you 5 minutes to scroll down this page of FTDs. And I got left side is September second half, right side is September first half. It's unbelievable. Price is failing under $1, over $1, under 50, over 50, all across the market every single day without fail. Or with fail, I should say. But yeah, this is what's wrong with the market right here. This and the market share gap. So fix it, Gary. What are you doing? I'll wait. I will wait.